Welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I am going to give few tips to prepare and clear the Scrum Master interview. In most of the Scrum Master interviews, the interviewer will do the assessment on Agile and Scrum framework knowledge, experience in facilitating the Scrum event, experience in handling the impediments, Agile mindset and Agile way of working, coaching the teams, continuous improvement focus, and servant leadership behaviors. So it's good to prepare well on these topics to provide a best answer and convince the interviewer that you are the right candidate for the position. Now let us understand the areas that can be focused in your interview preparation. The first area for the preparation is related to your project, your Scrum team, and your accomplishments. You can talk about your current project, Scrum team structure, your day-to-day activities as a Scrum Master. How are you conducting the events if the team is distributed across location? Key accomplishments in your project, your certifications if you have any. So the questions can come as how will you form the new Scrum team? How did you decide the sprint length in your project? How frequently the release is happening in your project, etc. The second area to prepare for the interview is related to your knowledge on Agile and Scrum. It's good to prepare about the benefits of Agile, limitation of Agile, retrospective techniques which you used in your project, etc. You should know the roles and responsibilities of the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development team. You can expect questions on techniques used in backlog prioritization and how do you conduct backlog refinement meeting. Another area for the preparation is Agile estimation. Why are you doing story point estimation, task level estimation, etc. You should also prepare well on the Agile metrics such as burn down chart, velocity, and purpose of tracking these metrics. You can also expect questions related to capacity planning, dependency management in the Scrum team. Another important area for the preparation is do's and don'ts in the Scrum event, agenda for the events, and your role in the Scrum events. So prepare for these topics with some example from your current situation. The third area for the preparation is related to your real-time experience as a Scrum Master. You can expect a question to explain success stories and challenges you faced as a Scrum Master and how you address the challenges, impediments you resolved for the Scrum team with an examples, challenges you faced with the product owner and the development team, examples of issues found during the sprint retrospective meetings, improvements that you introduced in the team. The fourth area to prepare for the Scrum Master interview is team management and coaching skills. The interviewer may ask the questions like, how do you resolve the conflict in the team? How do you motivate the team? How do you ensure that team is happy and motivated? How do you build the high performing team? How do you foster a self-organizing team? Team members are not cooperating with the Scrum events. How will you handle the situation? As a Scrum Master, how will you coach the team? Tell about a situation where product owner was not happy about the team's work, etc. So you can highlight the real experience from your project when you answer for these questions. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification about future videos. The fifth area to focus in your preparation is related to tools used by the Scrum team in the software development lifecycle. For example, which tool is used in your team for user story management, configuration management, unit testing, build, release, dependency management, and reports and communications. Popular tools used by Agile teams are Jira, Confluence, JUnit, Jenkins, Microsoft TFS, version 1, etc. So you can prepare to highlight the tools used in your projects. The sixth area to prepare for the interview is scenario-based questions asked by the interviewer. Scenario-based questions will be asked by the interviewer. You need to tell how will you handle the situation based on your knowledge and experience. For example, if the product owner adds a user story in the mid of the sprint, what will you do? If the product owner wants to micromanage each developer's work, what will you do? If the team members are not available due to unplanned leave, how will you handle the situation? Management is asking you to show the productivity metrics for the team. What will you do? So these are all the scenarios you can expect in the interview, and you need to answer based on your experience and the knowledge to handle those situations. To provide a good answer, you can follow the STAR model approach. STAR model approach will help you to provide the answer in a structured way. S is for situation, T is for task in place, A is for the action you have taken, R means the result of the action. So you can explain what was the situation, what was the task in front of you, and what actions you took, and what was the outcome, result, or learning. This approach will help you to give a good answer and impress the interviewer positively. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Thank you.